Hello and God bless everyone. Based the video that I watched from the Prime Minister of the UK, Gordon Brown, speech about the sharing of information through the web, entitled of Wiring a Web for a Global Good. Based in the speech of Gordon Brown, the global effects that commands attentions from people of every religion and every faith and the people no faith. He discussing about the war, the corruption, discrimination, slavery, racism, and the poverty. Those are the global issues that have emerged because of the miscommunication. But now, we have a capacity to find common ground with people who will never meet, but who we can meet through in the internet and through all modern means communication that we have now capacity to organize and take collective action together to deal with the problem or injustice that we want to deal with them. Communication, when involved, it's the main interaction between society parts or individuals. So communication is available to create a sense to injustice people saw that to be active upon immediately. Gordon Brown discussed about the Philippine president in 2001, President Estrada. 1 million people texted each other about the corruption that regime eventually brought him down, and it was called the coup d'etat. The modern technology is capable of, to the power of a moral sense, allied to the power of the modern communications and our ability to organize internationally.